Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial about how to grade classic quizzes. This video will also show you how to use the Fudge Points feature to adjust the score. Please be aware of which quiz setting is enabled for your course. Classic quizzes is enabled by default. However, the features shown in this video will differ if you have opted to enable the new quizzes feature in Canvas. If you need to reset your quiz settings, go to Settings, then Feature Options, and turn off New Quizzes. What type of questions require grading? Most quiz questions are automatically graded, like multiple choice or true and false questions. This video will show you how to override these scores in SpeedGrader. Essay and file upload questions will always require manual grading. To grade a particular quiz, simply go to the Quizzes link in your course menu, select the quiz you want to begin grading, then click SpeedGrader from the list of related items on the right side of the quiz. SpeedGrader will open in a separate tab. By default, SpeedGrader will sort submissions by student names in alphabetical order. This will display all questions in the quiz and tell you at the top in a red box which questions need review. Find the questions that require your feedback and enter your grade in the heading. Options. If you arranged your questions in a shuffled question group, you may prefer to grade one question at a time. Go to the Options and check the Grade by Question Beta box. This is also where you can change how SpeedGrader sorts submissions. You can change it to list by submission date or by status. As you can see, some questions are automatically graded upon submission. However, you can manually change these. This will come in handy if you decide that a particular answer requires partial credit, or if you decide to offer more points to a question that the class found especially difficult. You can always add your comments below. When you have made your changes, remember to click Update Scores in the bottom summary box below. This box also contains the Fudge Points box. This feature allows you to manually add or subtract points from a student's total quiz score. This will allow you to add bonus points or penalize a score for a late submission. In the Fudge Points field, enter the number of points you want to add to the overall score. You can also enter negative points. On the right side, you can also comment on the student's quiz performance in general. Submission comments are not necessary to complete grading. Once all answers have a score and you have clicked Updated Scores, students will be notified. If you want to suspend posting grades for students until a specific time, you will need to do this under Grades by changing the posting policy for the quiz. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, keep an eye out for more videos in our series on grading in Brew and Learn.